garage door comparison between Clopay, Amar, or Dade in South Florida. Let's break it down. All right, guys. So again, my name is Omri. I'm from Joe's Doors, and we are a local dealer for Clopay, Amar, Dade. Lately, we added also comeback design doors, which I'm gonna dedicate a specific special video for them because we really like them. And we also sell CHI and Wayne Dalton. Sometimes when clients like to, but we mainly sell Clopay, to be honest. So let's start with the comparison one by one. The first one I want to look at is Clopay. Well, what I like mostly in Clopay, and I'm going to make it quick. There are many things, but I have only 5 minutes for this video, so I'm going to do it really quickly. So the first thing with Clopay is the fact that they have so many different designs, colors, sizes, windows, everything you can dream of. And this is easy for me, as a dealer, to match you guys the exact door, and because you see there's so many designs for each one of them, and they come with so many different colors, and it's just like after a quick phone call with you guys, like a 10-15 minutes consultation calls that we do, I'd be able to give you like at least 2 or 3 options from Clopay's brochure alone that will match your dream or whatever you want to achieve with this project. Okay, so first of all, as I said, this is the best thing I like about Clopay. Obviously, their quality is the best. They're the biggest manufacturer in the United States. But anyway, this is the first thing. The second thing I like about Clopay is the fact that they have a very highly insulated doors. Okay, when we talk about insulation, we're talking about the R value. Okay, R value is like the factor of how they measure the level of insulation. So you see that they have an 18.4 R value doors. Even the simple ones, they come with 18.4. There are many. And I think also with the Canyon Ridge, it's even higher. Yep, they have a 20.4 R value for the Canyon Ridge, which is crazy. Okay, comparing to Amar, for example, and this is something, I don't think people need more than that, but some people are really picky about the R value. But yeah, I mean, with Amar, the highest insulated doors has 13.35 for the Classica, or for the Heritage, I think it's 9 point something, right? Yeah, 9.05. So these are the 3-layer insulated doors by Amar. And this is something I like about Clopay, that they have a higher R value. What I like about Amar is the simplicity. Okay, very, very, very simple brochure. It's very easy for you to know like what you can do or what you cannot do. That there are some like nice traditional look doors, and they're very, very easy to install. So when we come to install an Amar door, it's easier for our installers. It's going to cost a little bit less in terms of labor. And they have also a very wide range of models which are available in stock. So because they don't have so many options like Clopay, they're able to have a lot of different sizes in stock. So yeah, as I said, if you're in a rush or you want a cheaper option, we go with Amar. And last but not least, Dade, which I really love this company. Okay, Hurricane Masters by Dade. They're locally manufactured in Florida. And the first thing I like about them is the fact that they have a very, 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 very fast lead time. No matter what you want to achieve, no matter what design you want to have, it's going to take them 2 weeks to manufacture, which is amazing. Okay, so if you're in a rush, okay, you need to finish quickly whatever you want to do, or to install a door that just jump off, and you don't want to just get a regular traditional white short panel that there is in stock for Clopay and Amar, you go with Dade. Okay, they make it in 2 weeks. Second thing I like about Dade is the Interforce structural reinforcement system. As you can see, you can barely see the struts because they make it in South Florida, and all the doors that they're making are hurricane rated. They kind of build the struts inside the door, which is amazing. Okay, and then it saves a lot of space in the garage and it looks much nicer. Whew. That's it. This was the comparison between Dade, Clopay, and Amar. If you have any questions, please give us a call. I'll talk with you. I'll make this consultation call. I'll make sure you're going to get the best quotes possible in South Florida. Thank you for your time. See you next time.